Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, you obviously can't tell that I have my hair done right now, but I'm going to be doing basically all of the hairstyles I did in my 90s Friends video. I'm going to be doing those hairstyles on camera for you guys. I got a lot of requests because, I don't know, I mean they're cute hairstyles and they totally reflect like the 90s aesthetic, and yeah, I just really like them. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to be fair, in that video my bangs were a little bit shorter, so I won't be able to do like the cute little, whatever you call them, like super wispy, bouncy bangs, just because mine have grown out significantly since that video, but I'm still gonna do my best. My hair is on, it's like second day of not being washed. I find my hair works better in doing these hairstyles when it's a little bit dirty, just because I do have such like, I mean it's not a bad thing, but I do have such silky hair. It's really hard to, like when I freshly wash it, it's just too slippery to be able to like be held in clips or any kind of updo. So if you have hair like that too, something that helps me a lot is dry shampoo. That just gives it some texture without making it feel too like hairspray-y or sticky, but I'm simply just using this today because my hair's greasy. After that's done, I'm going to show you guys what all you're going to need. I'm going to try to make this video short. I think I'm only going to do 3 hairstyles. So you're going to need a little tiny kind of mini clip. This is going to be for our half up, half down do. Probably some bobby pins, you know, give or take a few misplaced hairs. I'm going to use some mousse just to give my hair even more volume and oomph. I don't even know. And then you're gonna need for me, since my hair is getting longer and it is pretty thick, I'm gonna use a clip about this big. This is a pretty big one, but if you've got thinner or shorter hair, you can probably get away with using just your normal large clip. So, and I'm gonna be using this for another hairstyle as well. So with that being said, that's kinda all you need, and let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm probably going to do it off camera just for time's sake. You guys have seen me put my hair in hot rollers like 3 times on my channel. I'll link a video down below of me using it in another video, so if you guys are curious. But I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair off camera and then I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I'm back. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. I just realized I left it on for like the whole time I was waiting, but we'll see. So I'm just going to start taking out my hot rollers. Oh dear. Yeah, this is basically my hair after hot rollers. I like it because it gives me these nice voluminous roots, which when you use kind of like a curling iron, it doesn't do that as much. It more so gives the bottom of your hair volume, which is not what I'm looking for in these updos. So now what I'm going to do is just take a brush and brush out my bangs. Those look absolutely insane, and they're definitely gonna need to be fixed, but that's okay. And then just kind of brush out the rest of my hair. Sorry if I'm looking in the viewfinder a lot, it's just kind of my only form of a mirror. So now I'm gonna go in and begin. I don't even really think I even need to tease my roots, they're so huge. So the first hairstyle is basically, you're just gonna take your hair about from like 1.5 inches from the ear up, grab that hair and grab that tiny clippy and clip it, and then bring the rest of the hair to the front, and then just let a few of these pieces fall down from your bangs. Now that's looking a little crazy right there. And just clip it. And then, yeah, that needs some work. But as you can see, I really like the swoop it gives my bangs when I use hot rollers, but this side is a bit questionable. I guess once it calms down a little bit, it'll be fine. So I'm gonna take my straightener, kind of tame those dudes over here. So yeah, really simple. This is hairstyle number 1. I just kind of clipped it up in a half up, half down. Really, the curls do all the work for you in this one. I'll go ahead and show you like the side view. See, super 90s. I totally love it. And then side and back. So there you have it. That's hairstyle number 1. It's very like Fran from The Nanny. It's kind of the look I was going for, but she obviously has way curlier hair than I do. But yeah, that's look 1. The next one I'm gonna do is like such a classic 90s hairstyle, but it does require some teasing, so I'm just gonna take my little comb here and back comb my hair a smidgen. Just because I like the back of my hair to have some volume in this hairstyle. Basically, you're gonna take, I have to personally use this big one because my hair is getting so big, but if you've got thinner hair, take your medium clippy and you're gonna put all your hair kind of like up in a pony. I'm gonna turn around actually from the side. Take your hair in a ponytail at the like nape of your neck, and then you're gonna twist it a few times, and you're gonna get kind of a little like, I don't know, spiral like that, and you're just gonna take the clip and put it right at the base of that and let the hair cascade over it. Like so. And this is a look commonly worn by my mother in the 90s. This is like, she still wears this hair to this day. But I really like it. It's super cute, super 90s. I usually pull out some hairs. It's looking a bit goofy right there. And if you have a few hairs that you don't like that are like out of place, or you don't want them that way or whatever, that's where your bobby pins come in handy. So like, I think it looks a little bit too poofy on the sides here, so I just kind of clip it, and yeah, that's that basically. I love this one, super 90s. But as my hair gets longer, that one's a little bit harder to do. It looks really cute on like medium hairstyles, I would say. And then my last but not least, my total favorite 90s hairstyle is the French twist. This is like Rachel in like the beginning seasons. This is Rachel's iconic look. It is, again, harder to do with long hair, but I found a way that works for me. You can either do this with bobby pins. That's what I used to do when my hair was shorter, but now I just have to use a clip because like these tiny little things won't, I should drop that. These tiny little things won't hold on my hair. But it's similar to the one we just did. So you're gonna take your hair, make sure you still have a little bit of tease left in it so you get that volume up at the roots. And then you're gonna twist the hair like so, again in that little kind of rolly twist. I really hope you guys can see this, because if not, that's going to be embarrassing. But then you're going to fold down the hair that remains and twist it into that roll like so, and that's where you get the kind of French twist. And then I'm just going to take my clip and clip over that. So kind of hides the French twist, but that's the only thing that holds on my hair. So, and then obviously I have a lot of volume right there. I kind of want to tone it down though, so I'm going to take a bobby pin, pull out some wispies, all that good stuff. And Rachel sometimes, like when in her hairstyle, since hers was shorter, she had like little wispies coming out here, but that's just like near impossible for me to do because my hair is so long. If I were to pull out one piece, it would just all come out. So I'm gonna not be doing that today. but if you've got shorter hair, by all means, go for it. And yeah, there's that. And voila, the French twist. I hope you guys can see it from that side. Here's the back. So you can see I wasn't very precise with all of these hairstyles. They're very effortless, very easy, and I like them a lot. And yeah, those are my 3 super easy 90s hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it somewhat helpful if you're trying to get that 90s aesthetic. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that little bell on your way out just so you can get notified every time I post new videos, which will be weekly this year, I promise. Thanks for watching. Bye.